Hey guys, this is Thomas with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2009 Yamaha 232 Limited S. This is a fresh trade, just took it in. This boat will have a full service and detail. Comes with the trailer. Guys, it's blue in color. This is the 232 Limited S. It has the water sports tower, as you can see. Looking at the transom, guys, nice swim deck, plenty of room to entertain. This is a twin engine jet boat. Guys, this boat has right about 220 hours, very low hours. All the seats are in great condition, no major tears, not faded. Overall, this boat is nice and clean. Got the snap-in carpet. Great boat overall, guys, and it is currently available now. For more information, please visit MarineMax.com or call your local Greenville, South Carolina MarineMax for more details. Thank you.